Ever wanted to make your Canva design stand out with a clean, professional border, but weren't sure how? Don't worry, because in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add borders in Canva, whether it's around your entire design or just a single image, and it only takes a few seconds. Let's start with the simplest method. First, open your design in Canva. On the left panel, click on the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Borders and hit Enter. You'll see a variety of styles, from simple rectangles to creative decorative frames. Just click on one you like and it'll appear on your canvas. Now, you can resize it by dragging the corner handles and recolor it using the color picker on the top toolbar. Adjust it until it perfectly fits your layout or aesthetic. It's that simple to add a clean frame around your entire design. But what if you want a border around just one photo? Here's a cool trick. Select the image you want to outline, then click on Edit Photo. From the left editing options, choose Shadows, and then pick Glow. Now, open the glow settings. Set the blur to 0, the transparency to 100, and increase the size slightly to create that perfect outline effect. You can also change the color of the glow to match your theme. And just like that, you've created a custom border around your image without needing any extra elements. Borders are an easy way to make your design pop, whether you're creating social media posts, thumbnails, or presentations. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out in your next Canva project and see how much difference a simple border can make. Thanks for watching, and keep designing something amazing.